Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable new features notifications in X. Stay ahead of the game and be the first to experience exciting updates and enhancements in X. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. As the app opens, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Notifications, and then tap on Preferences. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 6. Look for and tap on Push Notifications. By selecting this option, you'll have control over the notifications that X sends to your device. Step 7. Finally, enable First Look at New Features. This will ensure that you receive notifications whenever new features and updates are introduced in X, allowing you to be the first to explore and enjoy them. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled new features notifications in X, guaranteeing that you'll never miss out on exciting enhancements and improvements. Thank you for watching, and may you enjoy being at the forefront of innovation with the new features notifications in X.